Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I have a short little video for you to show you the first spoiler for our June Boxyluxe. Yes, Nico Concilio revealed it on a short little video at Coachella, so I'll show you that clip and then I'll tell you all about the product. Well, everyone knows what Boxycharm is. It's a monthly subscription beauty box that'll cost you $21 a month, which includes shipping. You'll receive 4 to 5 full-size products that'll be makeup, beauty products, and skincare. This will be based on your beauty profile, and they'll value at least $100. Once you become a charmer and you are subscribed to Boxycharm, you can then get Boxyluxe, which is a quarterly subscription box that'll cost you $49.99, and you'll receive 9 or 10 full-size beauty, makeup, skincare products, and these will be based on your beauty profile. The value will be at least $250. I want to remind everybody about the April giveaway. We're giving away this month on Kendy Jane Beauty channel 2 palettes and some beauty sponges, all by Jeffree Star. The first place winner will get to choose either the Blue Blood palette or the Blood Sugar palette. And the first place winner will also get some beauty sponges. So if you're interested in getting in on this giveaway or any monthly giveaway I have, please watch the video I am putting up above, and it will explain how this month's video will go. I have monthly giveaways that value anywhere from $75 to $100 in the most trendiest makeups around, and anytime I reach a milestone I have a huge giveaway. The last one was on 5,000. I'm getting close to 10,000, so when I reach 10,000, make sure you're with me and subscribed, because you won't want to miss out. Last time we had 8 to 9 winners, so make sure to get in on this channel because I give away the most products of any channel my size. So let's get into that video clip of the spoiler.
Here is a sneak peek from the June Luxe box from Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balancing Yogurt Cleanser.
Thank you so much, Nico Concilio. Isn't she just so cute? I love the little swimsuit. Those were not underwear. That was a swimsuit bottom, and on the back it said "Pores No More." So I think Dr. Brandt gave her a cute little blue and white bikini swimsuit for her to get her massage in by the pool. This was an event that Dr. Brandt and Boxycharm were putting on in conjunction with Coachella. Oh, it looks like just so much fun. And how about that product by Dr. Brandt? This product is a newly launched product by Dr. Brandt. It's the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Wow. And what this product is claimed to do is yogurt and chlorophyll are great for hydrating the skin and so much more. This product is so new that it's not even on their website or Sephora yet. So we're getting something that's just getting on the market. So I'm very excited about this. Boxycharm is not giving us old products that people can't sell. They're giving us the new products people are just putting out. And I think that is a plus. So this is our first Boxyluxe spoiler for June. Thank y'all all for watching. Remember to share and subscribe. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to end this video with a little more footage from Boxycharm at Coachella if you're interested in watching. So until next time, bye.
Coachella, day one. I'm so excited, y'all. We're gonna take you through the journey. Let's go. Are you guys ready? I need more enthusiasm.
You guys, we are where?
We're at Coachella.
Yes! We're so excited. Oh my god. Look at Joe. Say something. Join the stories.
Joe.
Hi, Charmers. We are here at Coachella. Yes.
You wish you was here.
Boxychella.
Yeah.